How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to show you the process of making a landing page for an open house you may be doing. This is a frequently asked question that I get all the time, so I decided I'm going to show everyone how to do it. So to start off, we are going to navigate to the very last tab down here on command. It's called Consumer. Go ahead and give that a click. Then right here, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. We have Agent, Site, Pages. This is your Keller Williams website. We have Landing Pages, Guide Builder, and Collections. What we're going to do just for now is we are going to create a new page, select as a landing page, and create page. And then once you're here, go ahead and name it whatever you want. So for now, I'm going to name this Test. So once you get your project named, you're going to see a bunch of these widgets on the right-hand side. You're going to have Agent Branding, Branded Header, Lead Form, Legal Footer, Listing, Market Snap, Your Local Expert, Video, Testimonial Capture Form, Download My App. So here's where you can play around with it. But I'm going to show you exactly what I like to do for my digital listings at open houses. I like to go for the branded header. It's kind of small, it gets you kind of the information you get to know without taking up too much room. As you can see, the agent branding, it's really big. This is maybe good for like a footer. So for now, we're just going to go with branded header. Then I'd like to go with the listing. And then maybe down at the bottom, I'll just throw the lead form down here. And all it is just dragging and dropping and letting it go. The lead form will input a contact, and then this will get thrown inside your command database. So once you kind of get all the forms you picked out that you want, what you're going to do now is go ahead and configure widgets. And what this is, you're going to see a number at the top. You're going to be able to configure all the widgets you have on your page. All of them are really self-explanatory, but the listing one is probably the most confusing one, but I'll show you how to navigate this. So from here, you're going to click Browse Listing, and here's where you're going to be able to browse all of the MLS. What I mean by this is you guys find any house in the United States, so go ahead and find the open house that you're going to be doing or you want to advertise. So for this example, let's say I'm doing an open house at 15 Atlantic Avenue. I'm going to go ahead and select this, and you're either going to be able to choose pictures from the listing or you do a custom image that you want to upload yourself. For now, I'm just going to do this default image of the home right here. So I'm going to go ahead and save and apply that. And bam, there you now have the house that you have selected as your listing. So I got my branded header, the listing, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you are going to be able to see the contact form. So if you like how everything looks, what you're going to do is go ahead and you're going to click Publish Page. Yes, update it. If I go over to my landing pages now, it should be the top one right there. Perfect. As you can see, the status is on because you're able to turn on and off your landing pages. But I have my link right there. That is my landing page link. This is where you are going to want to advertise to people. But you can go ahead and click on it. And it should take me to the landing page. There we go. And then from here, feel free to grab this URL, copy it, paste it on Facebook, throw it on Instagram, throw it wherever you like, advertise your open house however you like. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below and I'll get back to them as fast as I can. Thank you so much and have a great rest of the day.